In Python, how do I read the Exif data for an image? I'm using PIL. How do I turn the Exif data of a picture into a dictionary?
You can use the _getExif protected method of a PIL image. This should give you a dictionary indexed by Exif numeric tags. If you want the dictionary indexed by the actual Exif tag in name strings, try something like
You can also use the Exifred module.
I use this or to get a specific field.
For Python 3.x and using Pillow 6.x and above, image objects now provide a public/official getExif method that returns an instance or none if the image has no Exif data. From Pillow 6.0.0 release notes, getExif has been added, which returns an Exif instance. Values can be retrieved and set like a dictionary. When saving JPEG, PNG, or WEP, the instance can be passed as an Exif argument to include any changes in the output image. As stated, you can iterate over the key value pairs of the Exif instance like a regular dictionary. The keys are 16-bit integers that can be mapped to their string names using the Exif tags.tags module. For Exif keys that appear in the Exif tags.tags module, you should see something like this. Tested with Python 3.8.8 and Pillow 8.1.0.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.